water leak. However, I'd always been dreaming of renovating the kitchen, and so it seemed like the perfect time. I'd already kind of imagined what I wanted it to look like, so as soon as we knew we had to do work in the kitchen, then I knew it was time to go ahead and do a little more than just fix the water leak. Oh, we didn't have a kitchen.
Yeah, it was totally torn up. All the floors torn up, right?
No floors, no sink, no dishwasher.
It was not good. It was great.
It was really fun. 3 kids, 2 dogs.
We got to wash the dishes in the bathroom sink. It was awesome.
And in the bathtub once.
The bathtub. Yeah, that hurt my back. So,
we were worried about it though, because we heard
moved.
stories about how long it can take to find a reliable contractor, and we got nervous talking to a couple people that we didn't really feel comfortable with, or some of the initial quotes we got that weren't so great. So
several recommendations didn't call me back at all.
Right.
Or they said they'd check out, send pictures, and they never called back. And the first person was astronomically high, so that was scary. So I saw it on Nextdoor in the Brookhaven app where we used to live, and saw some pictures of a kitchen you guys had done, and contacted that guy, and he gave me some details on what you guys did and the scope and all that.
And I remember Kent called me afterwards, and he said, "I have a really good feeling. I think this might work."
And I go on pretty much feel on most of my life, and I knew as soon as I talked to Lena, I told her, I'm done. I think we're good.
Oh, wow.
She's like, I think we should call some more people. I was like, I don't think we need to. I think we're good.
But then as soon as I started interacting with you all as well, I was like, nope, this is good, and that's why I've already given your name out to other people, because we've had such a great experience. So it happened really quickly, and I think you always hear about projects that take forever, and that's actually what a lot of people asked me when we said we were doing our kitchen. They're like, oh, how long is it going to take, or are they really going to be finished when they say they are? And it's like, you know what, I think they are. Everything's really on track. And so Lena was really great about communicating with us about decisions we needed to make and what information we needed to give her to allow them to move forward. So we were really pleased with the timing of the project. How long it took was way quicker than we expected, but everything was also done really thoroughly. The project management and Lena's ability to communicate with us about exactly what information she needed for us to make, what decisions we needed to make by when. I knew far enough in advance to have time to do my research, but to give her the information she needed in order to make sure things were delivered on time. So I just think we worked really well together. She was very easy to communicate and work with, and allowed me to, and also gave me some great ideas and tips, like, hey, what do you think looks better? She was very willing to respond and help me, piece things together in a way that I'm really pleased with. Absolutely, I would absolutely recommend Lightbox. In fact, I already have, and just for the reasons we described. We're, first of all, super pleased with the quality. The quality of the work is obviously really important when you're investing in your home, and it's very high quality. Everything was done really well. But then I also think the partnership, the communication, the follow through, just very efficient, very fun to work with, very pleasant. So I would, hands down recommend Lightbox.
The installation timing was amazing. There was one day when they did the backsplash tile guys left. 2 minutes later, the electrical guys came, and then as soon as they were done with plumbing, walked in, I was just like, holy crap. Like, how is this happening? It was pretty impressive.
I was so excited. I was out of town when they finished the project, and I couldn't wait to get back in town on Saturday and to see it all in person. Of course, I'd seen pictures, but it's awesome to walk downstairs and finally see what we've envisioned, honestly, for a while, a different space to live in. And the next night was Easter Sunday. We had a family dinner right here, and it was great.